This 2015 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country Road 404RB is a Class A RV. It is located in Columbia City, Indiana, 46725 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Wayne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 89 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2015 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country Road 404RB is built on a Freightliner chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.